That's one rock solid smartwatch. The build and design are truly amazing. The bezels are super thin, barely noticeable. You can use the GPS from the companion app for more accurate tracking. Hi there! Metal smartwatches are on a roll, and I can see why. They always look good. Adding to the list is the newly launched Firebolt Infinity Lux. Tons of features here. There's a huge display, Bluetooth calling, 4 GB internal storage to save songs on it, TWS connectivity, 300 plus sports modes. This is crazy. So without further ado, let's quickly unbox it and dive straight in. Let's begin. So here is the retail packaging of the Infinity Lux. You can see the image of the watch here, some features mentioned here which I've just spoken about earlier. Towards the back, some more features, QR code for the companion app, and towards the bottom, an MRP of 19,999. But don't worry, you can get this for a lot lesser. So without further ado, let's quickly open it up. Ooh, fancy box. So right on the top is the watch itself. Wow, looks stunning. The usual coupons and paperwork, we have Gaana, we have Book My Show, user manual, and finally the Pogo pin charging cable that magnetically aligns and attaches to the watch charging terminals. Though I would say the grip isn't that strong. The straps come with this plastic protection to prevent the watch from any scratches in the box. Make sure you remove them. Alright, let's have a closer look at the watch. First we'll get rid of the screen protector. Wow. So the first thing to notice is this is an all metal smartwatch, and the best part is that this frame comes with a matte finish, so it won't attract any fingerprint or smudges. Truly loving it. The frame also you can see is made of metal. This has a little glossy finish but also still remains very clean. On the other side you can see 3 buttons. This seems to be like a rotating crown, so it will help you navigate through the interface. Solid metal stainless steel straps, really good quality. Check that out. Absolutely amazing. Then on the buckle here you can see the Firebolt branding. Press this to open up the strap. The back is made of plastic and it houses the heart rate sensor, speedometer sensor, charging terminals up here, and there's also speaker at the bottom which is going to assist you for phone calls. The other thing is you can replace this metal band with silicone straps or leather straps if you want to. Simply pull this hook mechanism to release. Now the first thing I have to tell you is that the build quality is really good, super impressive. Also it has some weight to it, which actually gives the watch a really premium look. The Firebolt Infinity Lux comes with IP67 rating, so it's dust and water resistant. Wear it for a workout at the gym, for a run, in the rain, but I won't recommend you wear it in the pool because it doesn't come with swim tracking on board. Alright, let's have a closer look at the display. Now as you press the button from the side, the display will wake up. You press it again, it will turn off. Now this is a huge 1.6-inch LCD display with a resolution of 400 pixels by 400 pixels. Now that's a really high resolution display for a smartwatch, which is why even the smallest text is so clearly visible. Absolutely amazing. Now the color reproduction I'd say is decent. It's not super vibrant like an AMOLED display, but still pretty good. Blacks are also pretty deep. The interface is really smooth, snappy, as you can see. Now I know all of you want to know about the bezels. You can use the crown to change watch faces. Check that out. Wow. And just keep changing. Let me first tell you that there are countless number of watch faces that already come pre-installed. Now let me find a watch face that goes edge to edge. That will give you an idea of the bezels. There you go. Now the first thing to notice is that the bezels are super thin. You can see a very thin black line. Apart from that, it actually goes edge to edge. Now if you change your watch face to anything like black, it actually looks even more seamless. Check this out. In fact, we even wore this watch outdoors to check for brightness. You can see it's pretty clearly visible. Even a black watch face looks killer. Alright, let's have a quick look at the interface. Swipe from up to access the quick toggles. This is the QR code for the companion app. You can adjust the brightness from here. There you go. Then you go into settings. You have display settings. You have music mode. Basically, you can connect your favorite Bluetooth earphones to the watch and listen to the music on the go. Now first, you go here, click on search. Here you can see Ear 2, which is the Nothing Ear 2 earphones. Click on it and the connection is done. Super simple. This comes with 4 GB internal storage, which means you can save over 500 to 600 songs on the watch itself. Transferring the songs is fairly simple. Connect the charging cable to the laptop and the other end to the watch. Now select USB storage on the watch. A drive window will pop up on your desktop. Simply drag the music and copy it to the folder. And you're done. Now in the music app, you can see the music that you have just copied. Best part, you can play that music directly on your watch speaker or even your TWS earphones. It's so convenient, especially if you don't want to carry your phone with you. Coming back, then you can set time, then you can vibration strength, brightness can be adjusted, then you can set language, do not disturb, power save option, USB mode, about, system menu, shutdown, reboot, reset. If you come back to the home page, you can swipe right, you can access the steps taken, the heart rate, SpO2, the weather. You can tap to use the voice assistant of your phone, then the music player, then phone calling, and back to the home page. If you swipe right, you can quickly access phone calling, and if you press this top button, you can access the menu. There's steps tracking, there's heart rate, there's blood pressure, there's blood oxygen, there's sleep tracking. By the way, you can also use the crown to scroll. There's sports history, music, weather, dial pad, contacts, recent, messages, AI voice, there's a calculator app, recorder, there's a breathe app, there are some games that come pre-installed, 2048, there's Snake, there's Flappy Bird, there's Colorblind. My God, 4 games. Oh, are there 5 games on the watch that come pre-installed, which is really cool. Wow, I think this will be really fun. But remember, playing games on your watch will drain the battery a lot faster. Then you have alarm clock. Let's see if you can set the alarm from here. Sadly, you cannot set the alarm from here. You will have to set it only from the companion app. Then there's timer, there's camera shutter, and there's settings. Now overall the interface is really smooth. Someone who's using a smartwatch for the first time will also get the hang of it really easily. Let's quickly check out phone calling. So to make phone calls from your watch, simply swipe right. You have recent calls, you have contacts, you have dial pad. You're going to dial pad and randomly dialing a number. There you go. The phone call is being made. The audio you're hearing is from the watch speaker, which is clearly loud and clear. You can control the volume from here and end the call from the watch. Similarly, you can also receive incoming calls directly on a smartwatch. Firstly, there's a ringtone, there's a vibration alert, you can see the caller's name, you can mute this call, you can reject this call or answer this call and talk directly using your smartwatch. So convenient. Of course, you can mute the microphone of the watch as well as end the call directly from here. Talking about the call experience. Well, the speaker gets quite loud and it's also really clear, so it can be used indoors as well as outdoors. However, the opposite person did feel that he's hearing too much of ambient sound, especially when I am outdoors, but indoors it was very clear both ways. So yes, phone calling is pretty dependable on the Firebolt Infinity Lux. Coming to the fit and comfort. Now out of the box, the watch was actually quite loose for my thin wrist, and sadly there was no tool provided to adjust the straps. So I went to my local watch shop and got it adjusted. Now it's just perfect for me. Yes, it's bulky, but that's what makes it look so premium. Absolutely loving it. The downside is, I'm not sure if you're going to be comfortable to wear this to bed to track your sleep. However, I advise you get an extra silicone strap for that purpose. Coming to health tracking. So we first tested the heart rate, then SpO2, and even blood pressure. We got the readings for all, but as I always say, use these health parameter readings just for your reference and not for medical purposes. The Infinity Lux comes with over 300 plus workout modes. Yes, you heard me right, 300 plus. To quickly access it, press the button below here. You'll see running, hiking, riding, basketball, skipping, climbing, badminton, ping pong, football, yoga. Then you have fitness. There are 126 items, casual workout, ball workout, water workout, and there is a huge list. Sadly, I couldn't find swimming support on this, which is really surprising because it has so many water sports activity tracking, but it doesn't have swim tracking. There's also chess workout. I don't know how that works. There is ball workout where there's tennis, there's volleyball, there's rugby, there's softball. Basically everything that you want is here. Super simple. Firebolt hasn't shared the exact size of the battery, but they claim it will last for about 5 to 7 days with typical use. But if you're going to do gaming, if you're going to play music on it and Bluetooth calling, expect a maximum of 1 to 2 days. Let's have a quick look at the FB Invincible Plus companion app. So right here on the home page, you can see your health related and workout data, steps of the day, sports tracking, calories burnt, heart rate, blood oxygen level, sleep tracking, blood pressure. If you come to the sports option, you can actually use your phone's GPS to track your outdoor workouts more accurately. You can use it for outdoor running, indoor running, walking and riding. Very, very helpful. Then in the third devices option, you can see that the device is connected. You can see the battery percentage. In dial management is watch faces, check out. And these are the watch faces that come pre-installed, which are already there on the watch. All you need to do is click here and set as watch face, and there it is. So similarly, whatever you like, just simply click on it and click OK. There it is. So this is very, very good. Then from here you can set an alarm, set entry reminders, drink water reminder, do not disturb. unit settings, screensaver time, then push notifications. You can choose from which apps you want notifications and from which apps you don't. 24-hour health monitoring, photograph is a camera shutter, find watch, reset, firmware upgrade, and if you come into profiles, you can set more of your personal details and your targets. Sadly, there is no option in this app to share your data with Google Fit or Strava. That is one feature that is missing. Apart from that, it's really good. Alright, final thoughts. बस सिर्फ AMOLED display होता तो क्या बात होती. But anyway, LCD display is also pretty good. Rest is all smooth sailing. Oh yeah, there's no swim support also. But still, the metal build, the edge-to-edge bezel-less design, 300 plus sports modes, Bluetooth calling, TWS connectivity, 4GB internal storage, the Infinity Lux gets most of it right. It's priced at $3,499 and it's going on sale today, 15th of July. It's available in 4 metal colors. There's silver, there's black, there's gold, and there's rose gold. I'll share the links for all in the description. If you'd like to buy one, you should definitely check it out. So I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Until next time, cheers.